So we see about an algorithm. So we have to know the properties of algorithm. We have to know the properties of an algorithm. So the first properties of algorithm is finiteness. Finiteness means the algorithm must be complete after finite numbers of steps, or after some steps it should be finite. And the second property is definiteness. Each step must be clearly defined, or having one and only one meaning. And the third properties of algorithm is sequence. So each algorithm should have the start and halt steps. Feasibility is other properties of an algorithm. So each algorithm we write should be feasible, or it must be possible to perform or apply each instructions. And the other properties of algorithm is correctness. So it must be complete, correct answer for all possible legal inputs. The other one is language independence. So each and every algorithm is language independent. We may write in different language. Once we develop the algorithm, we may use different programming language to implement. So algorithm should be language independent. The other thing, completeness. It must be solve the problem completely. Effectiveness is another property, so it must be possible to perform each step exactly and in the finite amount of time. And the other property is efficiency. The algorithm we write should be efficient. It must solve with at least the least amount of computational resource, such as time and space. The final properties of algorithm is input output. So there must be a specified number of input value and one or more result values. The other term is about algorithm analysis. So we know about what algorithm means. So we should analyze the algorithm to get the better result. So algorithm analysis is a theoretical study of program performance and resource usage. So once we write the algorithm, we have to know how much resource it may take and what is the performance of that algorithm is. So this analysis helps us evaluate how will an algorithm perform. And the goal is to predict the resource requirement and compare different algorithms for the same problem. We may have different solution for one problem. We may have 2 or 3 or more than 3 solutions. So we have to choose the first and the best solution among those solutions. So this analysis of algorithm help us to select the best algorithm from the list of the list solutions. Basically, there are different resources we should consider while analyzing the algorithm. The main resources are running time and memory usage of the algorithm. Okay, so to check the running times of an algorithm, we didn't use, or we couldn't use the actual clock time because actual clock time can vary based on different factors. The first factor is specific processor speed. So one computer may differ from the other computer based on their processing speed. So this is the first factor. The second factor is current processor load. And the third factor is specific data for a particular run of program, like input size, input property. So, and the other one is operating environment. So this is the factors that affect our algorithm if we use the actual clock time to measure the algorithm efficiency. So we can analyze an algorithm according to the number of operations required rather than according to the absolute amount of time involved.